Is the home inspection really worth it? Buying a home is one of the most important purchases most people will ever make. To be sure that perfect house is structurally sound and without major issues that could cost you expense down the road, get a home inspection. A home inspection will help you discover the safety, function, and structural conditions of the home, allowing you to make an informed buying decision. A professional home inspector will do a thorough inspection of the overall condition of the home and cover features such as plumbing, roofing, insulation, electrical wiring, and structural components. The home inspector will assist you in understanding exactly what you are about to acquire so you can move forward with peace of mind. Is the home inspection worth it? Yes, it is. Spending money now for a home inspection may prevent you from spending a lot of money after moving in. You want to be sure to avoid any costly mistakes.